Hi, I'm Jake.
Hi, my name is Dominic.
We're going to be doing something new for our school.
Our project is to swap all of the plastic utensils and styrofoam trays at our school cafeteria.
We will be swapping them with metal utensils and polypropane trays.
It is important to us because we have been learning about natural resources and synthetic products. We've been also learning that a lot of our county's plastic is going to the ocean and landfills. Our school is contributing to the trash that gets thrown in the landfills and oceans. About 57,000 styrofoam trays get thrown in the landfills, and about 104,500 plastic utensil packets also get thrown in the landfills.
Our goal is to reduce the amount of single-use plastic that is being used at our school. A dishwasher that we got last year will also help with that. Our method to change the utensils and trays are: 1. We will find new trays and utensils prices online. 2. Set up a meeting with the superintendent, Mr. Turner, and the school board. 3. Present our conversation proposal on why they should change it. 4. If we manage to convince them, we will buy new materials online, metal forks, spoons, and polypropane trays. We will then ask Mrs. Debbie to use out the rest of our styrofoam trays and plastic utensils. We will then teach Mesa students new procedures for using the new materials and how they can reduce waste at home too. We will also save the school money during this, and will also help the environment. We're going to change the current single-use utensils to metal forks and spoons. Spoons approximately cost $126.92 for 684 spoons. To get forks, it costs $175 to get 700 forks.
Our school pays about $2,647.31 per school year for styrofoam trays and plastic utensils.
Trays, forks, and spoons. Our school will reduce the total cost per year and reducing more money because of the new reusable utensils and trays.
About $911.06 to change to reusable polypropylene trays.
The amount of money that the school will use per day using the dishwasher will be $6.65, and the 700 gallons per day. The cost per year is about $1,196.61, with a 126,000 gallons per year.
New reusable utensils and trays is approximately $1,519.64 per year, while the old cost still stands at approximately $2,647.31 per year. In the first year, the school will save approximately $1,000 with our new school utensils and trays. In the following years, the school can expect to spend $200 to $400 annually for replacements, as they tend to get lost and students tend to break them.
You should fund our project because it'll help us reduce our carbon footprint at our school immensely by removing the 57,000 styrofoam trays and the 104,500 packets of plastic utensils that we use and throw away every year.